Hey, Bubble Zoo legends, get ready because today we're playing Which Animal is Right? You'll see one animal and three options, but only one is correct. So open your eyes, use your brain, and guess before time runs out. Ready for the challenge? Let's go! Round one. Which animal is this large antlered forest animal? This is the largest member of the deer family with huge flat antlers. It's moose. Round two. Which animal is known for digging burrows underground? This small animal lives in groups and stands upright to watch for danger. It's Meerkat. Round three. Which animal is this black and white ocean predator? This animal hunts in packs and is also called a killer whale. It's Orca. Round four. Which animal is known for carrying heavy loads in mountains? This hairy animal lives in cold, high-altitude regions like the Himalayas. It's yak. Round five. Which animal has a long, curved beak and bright feathers? This tropical bird is famous for its colorful, oversized beak. It's toucan. Round six. Which animal is known for sleeping upside down? This flying mammal hangs from trees while resting. It's bat. Round seven. Which animal is this fast desert bird? This bird is known for running very fast and lives in deserts of North America. It's Roadrunner. Round eight. Which animal is known for building webs? This small creature spins silk to catch insects. It's spider. Round nine. Which animal is this colorful rainforest bird? This parrot has bright red, blue, and yellow feathers. It's Macaw. Round 10. Which animal is known for rolling in mud to stay cool? This farm animal uses mud to protect its skin from heat. It's pig. Yo! That was wild, Bubble Zoo crew! How many animals did you guess right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bubble Zoo.
Bubble Zoo.